Hello YouTube, it's me, Jonah, and thanks for watching to another DIY. So my brother Larnie has been trying to do oil change in his car, but the oil pan bolt has been stripped and is rounded. So I'll be helping out today. So let's get started.
Good. Other side. Good.
And for extra safety, we put a jack underneath, just in case. Don't forget to use proper gloves and safety glasses for this also.
Okay.
So let's check out this oil pan bolt.
The bolt.
Yep, looks like it's stripped, nice and rounded off. The last time he brought it for an oil change, he brought it to this place. Very well-known store, but they used an air gun. And of course, they stripped it. So today, we're going to use this special socket called Griptight. Notice the specially designed 6-teeth cams that will chomp and hold that bolt like a shark. Comes in all kinds of sizes. Mine's 15 millimeters, but others are 17, 18, 10, 12, 13, and 14 millimeter sizes.
It's called the socket. The socket with bite.
And so, if my Griptight socket does not work, I have another option right here. You can also use this plumber's pipe wrench. Check out the serrated jaws. This will grip any rounded bolt and it will act as a ratchet wrench.
Put it in. Okay. Don't forget, this thing is completely stripped, so see? Okay, hold on. Okay. I know what we can do. Hold on.
Just gonna lightly tap the socket head so it becomes super flush. Then hold the head at a proper angle so it doesn't slip off.
Want to bang it or you got it?
And bang the handle a few times just until it cracks open.
Okay.
Got it. All right.
Oh,
There,
good.
see? Yeah, good.
Wow. Okay, so I'm going to take it out now.
Yeah, take it out. You can take it out.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah, ready? Set.
I can't believe you got this baby out, bro.
Yeah, bro. That's the way to do it. Teamwork.
That's right, teamwork is best.
So do it the next time for yourself. Don't bring it to them.
That's right, I usually do my own oil change on all my vehicles. I've been doing it for over 30 years. And I've never stripped a bolt.
Ready?
Yeah. Pull it out quick. Go. There you go.
Wow.
Nice.
Black gold, baby. Okay, this one gold.
Now let's check out the old oil pan bolt. It's stuck pretty good in the socket.
Okay, pull it.
Okay, there.
Okay, I want to take a look at this.
Look at that. Oop. Oh, this is more oil. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Look at that thing.
Wow.
Stripped.
Yeah, that's usually what happens when you use an air gun. Too much pressure and combined with a worn out socket. We use the Fram PH2 for this escape because it gives us better grip.
Okay. Fram. Good. Perfect.
We also picked up a new oil pan bolt at our local Canadian Tire store.
Don't lose the position, because the position is exactly like this, right?
So notice the black gasket that goes with the bolt.
I'll explain that. So this one here, it would fit right in the slot right here.
Yeah.
In the slot here.
So pay attention to the position of the gasket to the head of the bolt. And 15 minutes later, after the oil is fully drained,
Go ahead, just clean that hole a little bit.
Yeah.
Good. You'll clean it nicely. Yeah. All right. Good. Now put the bolt in.
Okay. I'll put it in there. hand tight it.
Yeah, hand tighten it slowly. Yeah.
Perfect, man. Look at that.
Okay. Now make sure that's in there. Yeah, like that. There. That's right. Perfect. So yeah, that'll be in there.
Again, double check to make sure the gasket is centered to the bolt head.
Make sure it's centered in there.
There. How's that? Is that good?
That's good. See?
Okay.
That's good. Okay, let's tighten it.
Okay. 15 mil. Okay, put it in. Good.
Get tidy.
Okay. There.
Good, bro. Good.
There.
That's it.
Okay.
Nice and tight, but don't over torque. Okay, let's do the oil filter.
That's the oil filter right here. Right. So, okay. See if you can try to hand. Make sure it's there. Okay, go ahead.
You don't happen to have one of those. I need an ear.
Yes.
The oil filter is a little bit too slippery, so we're going to use a filter adapter.
Okay.
Oh, you need this.
What?
Oh yeah, that's right. Yeah. See if you can twist it.
I gotta twist it. This
Lefty, righty, right?
Yeah, lefty loosey, righty tighty.
Okay.
There we go. Okay. Nice and slow. Okay, good.
Okay, now I'm gonna do by
That's
hand.
right. So,
I'm gonna take it by hand now.
gotta take it out.
Alright.
Okay, watch out for the oil's gonna start squirting out.
See, that's why you need safety glasses.
There it is. That's a mess. Okay.
Hold on. Thanks. My hands are gonna get dirty, but oh well. Watch. Where's the oil?
Sounds like my friend Randy is driving his truck around the neighborhood again.
Doesn't help the wind's blowing it either. What a mess.
Make sure your oil pan's in a position to catch all this oil.
I want you to just put the whole oil into the pan once it's out.
Here?
Yeah, let's put it right there.
Put it in?
Yeah, put it in. Yeah, put it in. Put it in backwards like that.
Here's a view of the area where our filter will be screwed into. Don't forget to clean it before you install the new filter. We're gonna rub some brand new oil into the black rubber seal of the filter.
Black seal, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Okay, let's clean the area before we screw in the oil filter.
Okay.
Good. Let's see. Got a shot there.
So be patient, it's a little tricky to get the correct angle.
Okay, there we go. There we go. Should I just leave it like that, hand tighten it, or just?
So as hard as you can. Right. Both hands.
Okay. That's good.
That's all you gotta do is hand tighten it.
That's it.
That's it.
Okay.
Good.
That's right, just hand tighten and you're good. Alright, time to put some 5W20 oil.
Okay. Good.
Got it?
Yep.
This is 5 liters, so it's perfect.
Yeah, 5 liters.
Yeah. That's enough. That's exactly how much oil.
What do you say?
That's 5 liters.
Actually, it takes a little bit more than 5 liters, but always double check with your dipstick.
What is this, a tequila? A funnel? Right on.
Just a
Look at that. Not only you can drink it, make it use it as a funnel when you
That's
change
it.
your oil.
Actually, it's a DIY Malibu funnel.
There you go, right down to the drop.
Arrow.
Super Tech.
Okay, actually.
Yeah, 5W20.
Then we start the engine for about 5-10 minutes to check to see if there's any leaks. And our new bolt looks good to me. Now I'm going to check the oil filter to see if there's any leaks. Nice and dry, looks good to me. Now once we get the vehicle off the ramps, we're going to double check on our dipstick oil.
Check it, make sure.
So you may have to put some more oil, but make sure the oil line is inside the hatch marks or between the 2 holes.
Okay, actually it's still a little bit low.
You're having a big rope.
Jimmy!
Yeah.
What's
Clean
Doing
it.
an oil change!
Getting an oil change.
I thought you were cooking.
We're gonna pull up.
I thought you were cooking a pig on the manifold.
So if you find my video helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you always get my latest video. And until the next time, thanks for watching.